From the past few years, Google has been announcing developer preview for Android versions, so developers can test it. However, these Android updates don't reach to the majority of users because of a variety of Android phones. Companies don't roll out these updates to their devices, even though Android 9 Pie has been just 15% of the phones, but now a new version of Android is closer than you would think. As per the latest leaks and reports, Android Q will have many useful and latest features. So let's start with all new confirmed features. And yes, if you are new here on this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Now when you have done that, let's start with the Android Q first update. So the first feature is the dark mode. Google has realized that many users love to have dark theme or dark mode on their smartphones, and it also helps to save some battery life if you have AMOLED display panel on your smartphone. It will work with almost all or most of the apps because dark mode will be built natively. So in Android Q you will have system wide dark mode. Also you will get additional option which is automatic. It will adjust the dark theme as per the time which is add on here. Now the next feature is privacy control. This feature is to keep your data secure and maintain your privacy. Google has always been working on privacy and security control, and with Android Q you will have more control over it. Like many apps ask permission to your microphone, camera, contacts, but now with Android Q you can closely monitor the usage of these apps. Next feature is multi-resume. So you might have used multi-screen or split screen feature on your smartphone, but this new multi-resume feature is improved version of a split screen. Earlier or Android Pie you can use a split screen feature, but you cannot use two apps at the same time. But now with Android Q you will be able to use two apps simultaneously. For example, you can drag one file to one page and drop it to the other window, how you do it on a computer. You will also see many improvements like hardware based face unlock. Currently in almost all the Android phones they support image based face unlock, which is not very secure, and in Android Q you will see improved face unlock feature. And the most useful feature is desktop mode. Desktop mode is the most interesting feature here. Like Samsung Dex mode, Android Q will provide desktop mode where you can connect your phone to a monitor and to use it as a computer. Also there are many new features which will come with Android Q, like Smart Unlock, new themes and fonts, screen recording support natively, and Android Preview, so you can install the preview to test the OS. And OS downgrade. If you don't like the update, you can go back to the previous version. So these are the features which is confirmed with Android 10 updates. I will post another video after testing it once it is released, so stay tuned for that. I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.